Hello, students. Today in our ATAD unit, we're going to talk about some risky business, and that's alcohol. Let's talk about the facts. Binge drinking, drunk driving, drinking while pregnant. And so the definition of binge drinking, for men, it's 5 drinks in a session. For women, it's 4 drinks in a session. But the session lasting about 2 hours or less. So they're really putting them down, which would cause you to get drunk really fast. The effects, you're going to have falls because you lose coordination. There's going to be assaults because typically people are more violent. Car accidents, unplagued pregnancy, shame and embarrassment. You do some things you really wouldn't do under normal circumstances. Loss of valuable items such as damaged car or lost phone. Reckless spending while intoxicated. And loss of income through time off from work. So the law in North Carolina says the legal limit is 0.08 BAC, and that's blood alcohol content. And the fact is that 30% of young drivers your age who are killed in crashes had a blood alcohol concentration of 0.01 or higher. So that's like 1 beer. So the consequences, you could lose your license, you could get fined, higher insurance, court community service, drunk driving, and ultimately it could cause death. So what happens? In our vision, alcohol relaxes the eye muscles. It makes it harder to focus. Blurred vision is often a result of drinking alcohol. And a really cool thing that you could do right there at your house, put some Vaseline over a pair of old glasses and then try to do something. Try to toss a ball up in the air and catch it. Try to walk a straight line. Are some of the things that you could do to actually experience what your eyes feel like when you've been binge drinking. Another is your reaction time. Drinking alcohol slows your reaction time. You just don't see things as well, so you don't react to them as quickly because your brain is working so much slower than it normally does. And the next thing is your coordination. And we've all seen this before, the epic fail. People just falling all over the place because their motor skills just aren't what they normally are because their brain has been altered. And the last, which seems kind of obvious, but we got to teach it, it's drinking while pregnant. Everybody knows that you shouldn't, but yet people still do. And here are some of the effects. Birth defects, vision or hearing problems in the unborn child. The baby will be born soon, early, which means the birth weight will be low. They'll have some intellectual disabilities, learning and behavior problems, sleeping and sucking problems, speech and language delays, and again, more behavioral problems. So you got all this long list. And the thing is, and what I teach in my classes is, be it that drinking is your decision, that when you're pregnant, it no longer becomes your decision. It is now a decision that has multiple effects on multiple people. So it is a good decision to wait until you are of legal age to drink. Drink responsibly. Binge drinking has consequences. Never drive under the influence of alcohol. And never drink when you are pregnant.